Yeah, just let me know when everyone is here so we can start, yeah. Okay, everyone who's here for the open house, please join me. Norrsken House is Europe's biggest house for impact and technology. Tech, entrepreneurship and impact. We try to combine these three things. So in the middle there, that's where we live and where we try to innovate and ideate and create new things. Basically, the house is designed to fit whatever need that you might have. And you can basically move depending on your mood for the day and depending on how you want to work. This is our main event space, also called Town Hall. So this space is a flexible space. During the day, it's used as a workspace. And during lunch, we usually eat here together. And then in the evenings and weekends, it turns into an event space that fits 200 people or so. We believe that if we offer you the best space in the world, then you can do the best work in the world. What you saw when you walked up through the ramp is something that we call the parks. So we have 5 different parks where people can sit wherever they want. Like I said before, everything is flexible. All the screens that you see are provided by us, so you just bring your computer and plug and play, basically. All the rooms that you see here, we call them glass houses, so those are bookable rooms. We don't have any limitations on how much you can book, and like I said, everything is all-inclusive. So if everyone could just come a little bit this way. So the rows of lockers that you just walked by are all personal lockers, so everyone gets a locker where they can store their things. We have these Skype booths that you can use. Just drop in, 3 of them are bookable if you have a very important Skype meeting or a phone call. So you can see through the windows there, this is our biggest conference room. We also have this room, which is one of my favorite rooms, the playroom, because we believe that working as an entrepreneur, work and life kind of blends together a lot. Just follow me. Since we have a playroom for the kids, we thought it would be appropriate to also have a playroom for the adults. So this is our studio. Everything from 3D printers to VR headsets, smartwatches, podcast equipment, green screens, photo and video equipment, everything that you might need. Follow me. This is our quiet zone or focus zone called library. Get some work done, focus a little bit. Inside there, we have a meditation room. We have weekly meditation at 3 o'clock by one of our members. So just continue walking and we'll meet outside. I just want to take a minute to stop here in our beautiful cafe. Our cafe is run by Taku Taku, so that's Sweden's first and only completely vegan food chain. And we also have our in-house investment team that can also help you out and prepare you. Just send me an email if you have any questions or if I wasn't clear with anything. And I think that wraps it up. Yeah, great. Thank you very much.